In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a dark mode personal portfolio website with WordPress and Elementor. We'll begin by getting a domain name and web hosting. This is the foundation of your website, since the domain is your web address and the hosting is where your site lives online. Once you've chosen those, the next step is to install WordPress. Most hosting providers make this very simple with a one-click setup so you can get your website running quickly. After WordPress is installed, head into your WordPress dashboard and go to Appearance, then Themes. From there, search for the official Hello Elementor theme and activate it. This theme is lightweight and designed to work smoothly with Elementor, which makes it a great choice for a clean, modern portfolio site. Next, go to Plugins, then Add New, search for Elementor, and install it. Once that's done, take a moment to deactivate and delete any pre-installed placeholder plugins you don't need. This helps keep your website cleaner, lighter, and easier to manage. Now it's time to decide on your layout strategy. You can either use template kits to speed up the design process or build everything from scratch for more control. Both approaches work, so choose the one that best matches your goals, your design skills, and how customized you want the final result to be. Before building your sections, set up a unified dark theme command center. This is important because it saves you from manually editing colors and fonts on every single element later. To do that, open any page in the Elementor editor, then click the hamburger menu in the top left corner and choose Site Settings. Inside Site Settings, select Global Colors and create a tight, consistent color palette for your dark mode design. Typically, that means a dark background, lighter text, and one or two accent colors for buttons, links, or highlights. Then go to Global Fonts and choose readable typography such as Inter or Outfit. Using global fonts keeps the entire website visually consistent and professional. Once your design system is ready, start building the essential portfolio sections. Create your hero banner first, since that's the area visitors will see immediately. Then add an About Me section, followed by your project grid to showcase your work. After that, build your services and pricing section, and finally add a contact form so visitors can easily reach out. With the core sections in place, configure your navigation and responsiveness. Make sure visitors can move through the site easily, and check how everything looks on tablet and mobile views. A dark portfolio should feel polished on every screen size. When everything looks right, go ahead and publish your website.